Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. So if you're new here, my name is Shonnanarine and I post new videos weekly. I do everything from beauty, vlogs, fashion. It's kind of just like a lifestyle channel. So if that is something you're interested in, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the notification bell so you never miss a post, and let's get right to the video. So in this video, I wanted to do somewhat of a quick nighttime get ready with me. This look I came up with right here. It's great for like date night, girls night. It's more of the brown sparkle vibe I was going for, kind of like a winterish. But it's really easy, it's really fast, and I feel like people who aren't comfortable with maybe eyeshadow or makeup yet, this is an easy look to do, and like I said, it didn't take me long at all. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so as you can already tell, I did my face already. It's the same routine like I've been doing. So if you want to see like my previous video, my full like face routine, then I will link that right up here. But I will link everything down in the description box below about like what I used on my face. I just figured I wanted to focus this look just on the eyes today. So I figured I would, you know, do my face first. So first, I'm taking from the BH Ultimate Matte 42 color palette. It's gonna be like more of like a brown shimmery look. So I'm going to be taking, there's no colors, but this color right here, it's like a light brownish, beigeish color. And I'm just gonna be putting that kind of like a transition color right in my crease. And if you don't feel comfortable doing your face first, you can do your eyes and then do your face. Okay, so I'm just gonna work with some darker colors. I wanna deepen up the outer V right here. So we're gonna start a little light and then slowly go a little darker. So I'm going to be using the shade right next to it, so a little bit of a deeper brown. And just kind of going in a circular motion right on the outer corner of my eye. So next, from the Carli Bybel palette, I'm taking the darkest color, which is this deep brown right here. And again, just gonna go in the outer corner of my eye to deepen it up just a bit. As you can see, it's just darker on the outskirts of the eye, I guess you could say. Then I am taking a big blending brush like this, and I'm just gonna blend that all together. So there's no like harsh looking lines. Have date night tonight with my husband, so figured do a little bit of a glam look. We haven't gone out in a while, so why not? Okay, so I said I wanted this to be like a brown sparkly look. So from the color CoverGirl Sunsets palette right here, really pretty sparkly colors, I'm taking the 5th color in right next to this maroon color. It's like a brown sparkle, and I'm gonna be mixing that with the Carli Bybel palette right next to that color we were just working with. I'm just gonna use that brown sparkly color, and I'm just going to be taking a flat brush, if I can find it, flat brush like this, and just putting that on top of my eyelids. So I'm gonna be mixing them together. And I like this because it's not like too much of like a whoa shimmer. It's like very subtle and you can't really tell it's shimmer unless like you kind of look close. So that's what I like about these colors. Okay, so that's kind of like what it looks like, and I'm just taking an even bigger blending brush and just blending everything together. And so the reason I didn't really bring the eyeshadow like how I normally take a flat edge and go out is because I don't want this look to be super dramatic. If I was doing that, I normally would put eyelashes on, but I'm not putting eyelashes on tonight, and I feel like I just like keeping it on like, you know, my eyeballs, I guess you could say, like the actual lid, instead of flaring it out a little bit, because I feel like, again, that just makes it look extra dramatic, and I just want to do like a little dramatic. So I actually ran out of liquid liner, so I can't do liquid liner tonight. So I'm just gonna be taking black eyeliner and going on the top waterline. That way your mascara looks thicker. Actually, I just found brown eyeliner from Sephora. Not much left, and I don't have a sharpener, of course. So I might just put that like on top of my lid a little bit. So it's very subtle, you can't really tell. It's obviously not that sharpened, but I'm just going on like how I put eyeliner on, and just doing like from the middle of my eye out, not bringing it all the way in because I feel like that makes your eyes look smaller. Okay, so like I said, I'm just taking black eyeliner and going on top of my waterline. So you can kind of see it just looks thicker right on the waterline, and again, it makes the mascara look longer and darker. So again, from that BH Cosmetic, I'm taking that dark brown that we went in with and just going underneath my drop shadow right here and putting that in there. And I am going to mix those sparkle colors that we used from the two palettes and just put that again from my inner corner and meeting it to that dark color. Okay, and the last step is mascara. Like I said, I'm not putting any eyelashes on tonight, so I'm just doing mascara. I'm using the Honest Beauty mascara. I'm going to do this off camera though, so no lashes and mascara. Okay, so like I said, I didn't do any eyelashes tonight, but I still like how it came out. Still kind of like that darky, smoky look. But now last step is lips. So I want to do a nude look since this is dark and it's like more brown tone, so I do want to do a nude lip. So for lip liner, I am using by NYX. I really love this color. It's SMLL33 London. And it's like a really pretty brownish, but like nude at the same time. So I'm just going to line my lips with that. It's a really pretty lip liner. And then I'm going to mix this is like my all-time favorite nude combo, but I don't think they make this anymore. Maybe you can find it, I don't know, on eBay or something. It's from Jennifer Lopez. It's called Jennifer's Nude in the color 370. I like it because it's kind of like a pinkish nude, and it works really well with, of course, it's like discontinued. My two favorite things when they discontinued, of course, by Rimmel London. It's Nude Delight number 642. So I like to mix a little bit of both of these. I start with the JLo's Nude though, and just line my lips. And this, like I said, has a kind of like a pink undertone, but it works well with this Nude Delight. So this is pretty just on its own. You can definitely wear it like that. It's very like subtle, but again, I'm going to mix it. There's like nothing left in here. It makes me very sad. This kind of has like a peachish undertone. I'm not doing a gloss because I'm wearing my mask. I feel like it's going to mess up. So I kind of like to do a little bit more lip liner. I just always do that after I put like my lips on, just to make it a little darker. Okay, and there you have it. This is the final results. I really like how it came out, and I think it's pretty quick and easy to do. It's like a nighttime going out look, date night, out with the girls, etc. Not too many products on the eyes, so I feel like it is simple for people who aren't really comfortable with doing eyeshadow yet. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of it. And for my hair, I kind of just threw it up because it's greasy and I didn't want to deal with it, and just kind of some bangs. These are my bangs and that's how long they are. But I just put some curls in them, put some hoops on, and this shirt I got from Forever 21. You can see, very cute. But yeah, so that does it for this video. Like I said, I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let me know in the comments down below what kind of videos you would like me to do next. Bye.